In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to browse built-in options, upload your own font files, and apply them cleanly to your design so everything looks consistent and on brand. Start by opening your design in Adobe Express and clicking any text box on the canvas. The moment you select a text box, the Text Settings panel appears, typically on the right side. This panel is your control center for everything type-related. If you don't see it right away, make sure the text box itself is selected, not another object in your layout. Next, open the Font drop-down in that panel. Here you can scroll through the available fonts and curated font packs. Font packs are helpful combinations chosen to work well together, which can save you time when you want a cohesive look across headlines, subheads, and body text. As you browse, pay attention to how the font style aligns with your message. A bold sans serif can feel modern and strong, while a serif might lend a more editorial or classic tone. Try a few options and watch how your text updates in real time on the canvas. If you want to use a specific typeface that isn't in the list, look for the Add Fonts or Upload Font option in the same dropdown. Click it to open the Upload window. This is where you bring in your own type. Now upload your font file. Adobe Express supports TTF and .otf files, which are the most common professional formats. If your font came in a compressed folder, unzip it first so you can select the actual TTF or .otf file. If the family includes multiple styles, like regular, bold, and italic, upload each file you plan to use so they're all available. Make sure you have the right to use the font in your project, and keep the files organized so you can find them easily later. Once the upload completes, your font appears in the Font dropdown, often grouped with your uploaded fonts. Select it, and your chosen text updates instantly with the new typeface. Take a moment to check line breaks, spacing, and overall readability. A new font can slightly shift the layout. When you're happy with the look, save your design so the font choice is preserved across sessions and devices. A quick save here ensures your uploaded font and the applied settings are stored with the project. That's it. Click a text box, browse the font dropdown, add or upload a font if you need to, apply it to your text, and save your design for a polished, consistent result.